asking the questions. They've been knocking on the doors of Heart of Lions. And finally, their hard work has paid off. And it's the substitute, Mohammed Hussein. But what about that? For a free kick from the left back, Ransford Mensah. And you were thinking, was it going to be another Draman hit or a curler from the left back? And the ball falls kindly to the substitute midfielder, Mohammed Hussein. But that was an exquisite free kick. And that was a kind ricochet. And you can see dejection on the faces of Heart of Lions. And it's game on here at Accra Sports Stadium. It's Heart of Oak 1, Heart of Lions 1. Game on.